So today, you guys, we're here with Colin, this little dumpster diver,
And today we are
making weird noises with our mouths.
And we are also making a change to our channel.
So I will go first, and here we go.
We're making a change to our channel. It's not just going to be him. It's going to be all three of us. But there's a person over there
that's in our videos, but he's sleeping because it's like 1:30 in the morning.
It's 1:30 in the morning.
So
I'm gonna stay up till 2.
I'm going to make a weird noise in my mouth with my mouth right now. So here we go. Your turn. You can make it good.
Okay.
It's not a weird noise, but I don't care.
Okay, you know what?
Go.
This one. Wait a minute, what is over there? Oh my god, this is censored.
That's not censored. Really, guys, there's nothing there.
Joke's on you.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna end it here.
Yes, we're gonna end it here, and we might. We're probably gonna add. You can't see us. We're probably gonna add music to this. So
No, we're not.
why not? We can add not loud music. Oh yeah, we can't add music.
Let's cut this part out.
So okay, so we can't add music to this because we don't know this.
We don't know how to technically because we're only kids. Think about it. And
Oh, I know how
also,
to.
we might be changing our name in the channel, so it's not just him
So
making all the monies.
we also want to get a lot of subscribers, because I've been working my butt off to try to get a lot of subscribers, and working my butt off to get a lot of likes. So
If we get 10
don't.
subscribers, we'll do a
let's-
Bean Boozled challenge.
If we can at least get to 10 subscribers, we will do an ice bucket challenge when it's this cold out.
No,
And a Bees Boozer challenge.
And it's only January, so.
no, you guys.
And a
can pick.
Bean Boozle challenge. Boozle. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to add the likes because I was working hard, and subscribe.
And we'll
Both of
see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Boom.